Let's say you've been invited to attend a Foresight workshop. The chances are that it sounds fresh, exciting, but also more than a bit mysterious. Without knowing what's going to happen, how can you know that you will get any value from it at all?
The good news is that we can accelerate your entry into the process with our top 10 tips. Follow these to unlock the potential of participating in Foresight workshops.
I'm Martin Richards,
I am Zainab Yassin,
and we're Futures Researchers.
and we are based at the Finland Futures Research Center.
A Foresight workshop is a structured conversation about the future.
Typically, a workshop method will involve some combination of sharing knowledge and beliefs about the past, present, and future.
We present the following 10 tips to help find the value in navigating these futures frames.
Foresight workshops often have unfamiliar expectations and procedures compared to other workshops. Get comfortable with the workshop's purpose, topic, and format so that you can focus on the content rather than the procedure.
Once you are familiar with the workshop topic, it's worth accelerating your thinking for 5 minutes. Simply watching out for news items on the topic, or brainstorming some questions that you'd like to explore in the workshop. Prepare your brain to think creatively in advance.
Tip number 3. Forgot your laptop? Dropped your phone? No problem. By far, the most important thing to bring with you is an open mind. Adopt a beginner's mindset. Ask the naive questions. Set aside long held views. Let curiosity lead the way.
Participants in Foresight workshops tend to be quite diverse, and the groups at the table unique. Make the most of this by building on each other's ideas with yes and statements. Invite exploration with what if questions. Taking something seriously that you hadn't thought possible before can be eye-opening.
Foresight workshops are a rare opportunity to have a conversation about the day after tomorrow. Like physical exercise, our imaginations respond well to stretching and occasional heavy lifting. Prepare to think beyond the constraints of the day to day about global scale transformations, relationships across boundaries, and the implications of the unexpected. Coming back to the present will be like getting home after a long trip in a foreign land.
Foresight deals with unknowns. There are no definitive answers in a Foresight exercise, no facts about the future. Acknowledge the ambiguity and complexity, but don't let it prevent you from exploring possibilities.
Drink an extra cup of coffee or tea in the morning so that you can participate fully in the discussion. Share your thoughts, ask questions, and actively listen to others for a richer experience.
The future flows from actions in the present. Think about how workshop insights can apply to your own work, life, or organization. Look for ways to turn abstract ideas into tangible outcomes.
Support your group by taking notes, document key learnings, and breakthroughs. Sharing these with your network or team can extend the value of your participation beyond the day of the workshop.
Foresight is a process, not a product. Try to engage in the workshop without reservations, leaving judgment until the end. Enjoy the moment, be playful with the ideas, and challenge yourself to imagine what you haven't imagined before.
There are many things you can do to enhance the value you gain from participating in a Foresight workshop.
If you would like to know more about the kinds of methods used in Foresight workshops, stay tuned for our 5-minute introductions to classic Foresight workshop methods. Thank you.
Thank you. Join us in next video.
Visions through consensus, the Delphi method for collective foresight.